Nothing I can see in my life. Chai God. So I don't know how we'll call you Mrs. Lecturer or Mr. Lecturer. It's me you will take learn English or anything is I said, you will find fault just to be correcting me. They employ you personally to me to be teaching me or I don't God. Chai. Kinko, you are doing well. I love your comedy. I love what you be saying in social media, but your English is too poor. You have to speak it out. You don't use past as a present or present as a past. I didn't really get where Mrs. or Mr. Lecturer is trying to lecture me. Please, Mrs. Lecturer or Mr. Lecturer, I beg you, no verse. I don't like to insult people because I'm a get man from heaven. I have give order not to insult because the opportunity God will give me in my dream to be a get man. If I lose it, I'm gone. And I can't because of you. I lose that opportunity. Get man from heaven. So, wait though. I want to ask something. I don't want to insult you. I'm not because because you see me so. I try to compliment because I'll be complimenting any physical man you see because I'm a physical environment. I try to compliment you because I'm a physical environment. So I want to ask you, English is for who? English is meant for who? Hey, if this person now who trying to lecture me as a lecturer, who trying to tell me that I make a mistake when I say women, I didn't supposed to say women, supposed to say women's. The last comedy I do when I went to adoration, Reverend Father H. Kempak, I said that if you know that you're looking for a husband, raise your hand up. I saw the whole women. Is that not supposed to say women? I'm supposed to say women's. That's the only fault you find. And you are saying it in social media. Let me ask you, English is for who? English is for the white people. Igbo man don't have English, he have talent. Igbo. And this kind of people, you go to their office or something, the Igbo people, yeah, how are you? How are you? What do you want? How can I help you? They forget about their talent. The talent God give them, Igbo. That's one thing I love Ghana. It shall be well with the Ghana. But the only thing there is, I love Ghana. I love Ghana so much, but I didn't make a Charlie. If you go Ghana people say, English and by force, mean English be English is not force. I don't want English. Mrs. Lecturer, please, I didn't go to school. Even though I attend, I stop in school road. I eat my school fees, I stop in school road. School did not know me. I try. The only thing that used to me is that my darling, please. If you don't want me, the little one I trying to speak, it's like people are forcing me. People are just forcing me, and there will be a lot of mistake in English because it didn't resemble me. I don't know it. I tried to know book, but book rejected me, and I can't force it. Mrs. Lecturer, please, there's no people go to school in your home. School, is it by force? You that learn helebe grammar, helebe English. Take it and leave me alone. I try to compliment, I'm complimenting any physical man I see because I'm a physical environment. Mrs. Lecturer, Mr. Lecturer. If you don't hear that one I talk, you will continue seeing a lot of mistake because why? You see this face. Book never resemble this face. You never like this face. I try to like book, but you not like me. So I will kill myself. So people don't know book can't pass in your place. That's why you can't teach your children the darling. Emeka, how are you doing? Emeka, you need to clean this place up. This place is dirty. Come and get your breakfast. If Emeka grow, Elata Alibo. Emeka Bia, I can't hear that. I can't hear that. Ona na asusun na ya. Asusun ejimara ya. Ona ania. Born and brought up in Lagos, Port Harcourt. Oluta Alibo. Owo okoko beke. Organo anasu. Organo. Asim akwụkwọ ara ihe mma. Akwụkwọ ara mma. Kuzie nwa gị akwụkwọ, kuzie nye asụsụ ya. Asụsụ eji mara ya. Otu na abụcham na akwụkwọ ntụrụkpa, ihe mma akwụkwọ ntụrụkpa na akwụkwọ ọkasị na akwụkwọ ụgụ. Ihe mma, ihe niile wụcha akwụkwọ. Gị nwa agụrụ nke white, mụ agụrụ nke green. Ọcha akwụkwọ isi akwụkwọ. Just go akwụkwọ. Ka ịgụ akwụkwọ. Ihe gụtara. Agụọna m nke m gụtara na akwụkwọ green, akwụkwọ ọkasị, akwụkwọ ntụrụkpa. Ọha ihe ngụtara. So ọ na m sụpụ mvoka ya art. If you like it, fine. If you don't like it, hey. Nothing to do about it. Nothing. Ọwụghị fọtụ m. Ejere m akwụkwọ keke m gụtara. Gị nwa agụrụ nke white. Onye ọbụla nwere ka o si kwado. Gị hapụ ụmụ gị. Ha wụọ the craze. The mad. I know they hear them. That is the talk. I know they hear them. Nwaga wa na they hear them. Ọma ka esi agba izu. Even though they can't get say bana Jesus. What are you shitting me? Onye gị na agba izu amụrụ ihe okwu ebe ọ sụgo Igbo. How? Biko no, ọ na-atụfukwana ihe eji mara ụnụ. Onye ọbụla nwerekwana ka ọ chọọ. E nwere talent biko no. Asị m akwụkwọ ara ihe English ara ihe mma. Biko, batu na-echefula nke gịnị? Nke gị eji sụpụta ụnụ, nke nne gị na nna gị sụka. Otu ka ha sụ gị ma asụpụta gị, ị ga-asụgakwa asụpụta onye ọzọ. Asụgburu nke na-ama ahụ. Ịsụga subi ire, ọsụbi ọnụ, ọsụbi ofe eze gị, asị nga ịsụga. Iwu ha onye ọcha, ndị ọcha bụ ndị ọ dịka nga ha speaking in talks. Mara ga awụwụ ha. We are Igbo, ndị Igbo. Try to speak your dialect. That's what I love Ghana. But I didn't make a go under Charlie. Ghana say give me English anya by force. Me English baby. Share me Costco baby. What I say? Now catch you if you're coming. How Ghana? Ihe kachakwa ndị Igbo. Ọ kachakwa ndị Igbo. Mmadụ na-ekele m ihe ọ na-abụ. Biko no. I were na-asụsụ anyị. Were ya. Ihe jaruo ndị ọcha. Eso honey, so what are you saying? Irene. Ihe ji agba izu. Onye nna anyị ji gba na nne anyị uzu. Nne nye ekpete ha alụma. Ọsọ hụ na rebere da rebere. Ọkwa izu. Anyị ga na-agbụrụ onwe anyị. Kụzie n'ụmụ ụnụ. Asụsụ. Nne na nna ji mụọ gị. Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị. Ọkwa eze Kinko. Obi obere nwa. Onye ama na ala Mbieri. Otogo down 2021. Nke mere dị mma. Anyị eme ọzọ. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment ma. Like ma. Ọ ga-abara gị. Ekele m onye ọma Shiba. Tochukwu ọnwụziri ike. My man. Ya bara gị. 2021. Onye nwanye gị open n'obi gị. Ekelene m Oluchi, my only sister. Iwochukwu. Sugar. Love it. I love you, sister. Ekelene m ezinne m Egojuka Iwochukwu. Nwanyị eji eje mba. Nwanyị were na Chineke hibe ebe debere isi. May your days be long, mama. Onye nwe kpuchite gị. Thank you, my fans. One love.